Welcome to Top Num Up. If you love desserts light, creamy, and fluffy, today's countdown is for you. These are the top 30 most beloved whipped cream desserts in the world. Delicious, airy, and perfect for every sweet tooth. Let's dive into the cream of the crop. Strawberry shortcake. A light sponge or biscuit layered with fresh strawberries and fluffy whipped cream. Tiramisu, an Italian classic made with layers of espresso-soaked ladyfingers, mascarpone cream, and whipped topping. Black Forest cake chocolate cake with whipped cream and cherries, a German favorite. Cream puff choux pastry filled with whipped cream and dusted with powdered sugar. Banoffee pie, a British pie made of bananas, toffee, and whipped cream on a biscuit base. Trifle layers of sponge, fruit, jelly, custard, and whipped cream in a tall glass bowl. Swiss roll, a sponge cake rolled around whipped cream and sometimes fruit or jam. Profiteroles mini cream puffs filled with whipped cream and topped with chocolate. Pavlova, a meringue-based dessert with a crisp crust and soft inside, topped with whipped cream and fresh fruit. Victoria sponge cake, a soft sponge filled with jam and whipped cream. Key lime pie. This tart pie is often topped with a generous swirl of whipped cream. Pumpkin pie, a traditional dessert in the U.S. often served with a dollop of whipped cream. Icebox cake layers of cookies and whipped cream that chill into a cake-like consistency. Berry parfait, layered dessert in a glass with whipped cream, berries, and granola. French silk pie, creamy chocolate pie topped with sweetened whipped cream. Berries and cream, a simple yet satisfying dish with fresh berries and soft whipped cream. Mango float, a Filipino refrigerator cake made of graham crackers, mangoes, and whipped cream. Tres leches cake, a Latin American cake soaked in 3 kinds of milk and topped with whipped cream. Boston cream pie, sometimes topped with whipped cream in modern versions. Fruit tart pastry crust with custard and topped with fruit and whipped cream. From classic cakes to no-bake favorites, whipped cream adds that magic touch of sweetness and fluffiness. Which one do you crave the most? Or is there a new one you want to try? Comment below, like the video, and subscribe to Top Num Up for more delicious top 30s.